everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. CVS this week is kind of sad. I said take a break. I got a couple deals. It ended up being a money maker for me and I got some freebies, but otherwise I don't know, usually around Christmas time it's kind of slow and it's probably just going to get worse until the new year starts because not many people are focusing on shopping for little things. They're all shopping for presents. So just want to give you guys a heads up. I do have a contest going on. If you guys do not have the Fluz app, a lot of you guys will see us talk about it. Fluz is there's an app where basically you guys would join, and if you click my referral link, you get 3 vouchers, and those vouchers are 35% up to $10. So what you guys could do is you go to CVS, your total comes to whatever, you guys can buy a gift card, an instant gift card. It charges your credit card, you have it linked to it. You buy an instant gift card and you guys will get $3.50 back plus whatever the other percentage is. So I usually do that, and you only get 3 vouchers, and then after that it's a different thing. But I am going to be picking maybe 4 or 5 winners. If you guys actually download the app and you use the app, I get a notification when you use the app, but I'm going to be picking 4 or 5 winners to win a $20 gift card of their choice. The contest does end this coming Friday, so if you guys need to do it, definitely go ahead and do it. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So this is going to be a quick video because I don't have very much. I ended up getting the Crest toothpaste. This was $2.99. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that I used. So you guys would pay $2.98 for this. You get a $3 extra care buck, making them absolutely free. Now, one thing I have been slacking on is the P&G app. Or actually, I wish there was an app because it'd be so much faster, but the website, like, you can only submit so many receipts a week or a month or something. You can only redeem like 2 gift cards a month, and the gift cards are not like that greatest right now. So it's like, I don't know what to do, but I keep forgetting to submit my receipts, and it's like I'm wasting free money, but it's just like, whatever, not a big deal, but I still make sure I do it with my other apps. I got the Nivea. The Nivea was $6.29. I had a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. Now, we did have some printables. I didn't bring the printables with me. Otherwise, it would have been a little bit like $1 cheaper, but to me, it's still a good deal. But I also had a 2 off of 8 Nivea lotion, CRT, so I paid $7.58. You get $5 back of an extra care buck, making these $2.58, so $1.29 a piece if you guys need to get some Nivea lotion. Now, I ended up getting some L'Oreal makeup. I wanted to get the mascara, but I did not. I ended up getting the lipstick for $8.99 and the eyeshadow blue, because I needed a blue eyeshadow, for $6.99. I had a $5 off CRT that printed from the red machine today, and then I had a $5 off lip or face CRT for $5 off, and then that's what I used. So I paid $5.98 for the both of these, but then when you spend $12 or more, I think is what it was, you get a $4 extra care buck, making these $1.98, so 99 cents a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. Now, I got 2 of these coupons today. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I think they're discontinuing these because ever since we've been getting deals for this, my store has not restocked on these products whatsoever. So I think they're actually discontinuing these, in my opinion, because why are they constantly giving us a $17 coupon? You know, I'm just saying. So I had a buy one get one Hydro Boost, get one free, and I had another one. So you guys actually would buy 2 of them. You use both of those, plus I had a $3 off coupon that clipped to it. I didn't realize that until after I checked out. But with those 2 buy one get one free coupons, you guys would get these for $0. But then I also got a $3 off coupon also to that. But then when you guys spend or buy 2, I don't know what it was, but you get $6 of an extra care buck. So I got, this became either a $6 or a $9 moneymaker just by buying these 2 things. So definitely go ahead and do that. And then I was going to get some Advil. I had some Advil CRTs, but it was just too much out of my pocket. And then I was going to do I was gonna do Oral-B, but it wasn't what I wanted to do because there's an Ibotta deal. But anyways, I got the Scope mouthwash. This was $4.79. I used a $1 off coupon that we got, a digital coupon. You would pay $3.79 for this, but then you guys can, will get a $3 extra care buck, making these just 79 cents. So I just got one of them. So that was my haul, you guys. It wasn't the greatest, but I just wanted to, you know, show you some deals. I am not sure if I'm going to go next week. It depends on how hot the deals are. If there's just like 2 or 3, maybe 4 deals, I might not just go. I might just take a break, which is totally fine because we should all be relaxing anyways and enjoying the nice cold weather with our family. Yeah. Anyways, my total came to $1.33. I used $19 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $22 back, making it a $1.67 moneymaker. Plus, I think I'll be getting $6 for beauty because the Hydro Boosts were $17.90 or $17.79 a piece, and then $8.99, $6.99, and then the lotion were $6.29. So I think I'll be getting $6 worth of extra care bucks for beauty. This week I got 12. I got $12 for beauty from last week. That is crazy. But just wanted to share with you guys on that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Check out the contest if you guys haven't joined yet. I actually love using Fluz. Just because it saves you money. You can stack those with websites. So I stack it with Rakuten, Top Cashback, and Be Frugal. I can stack it with that stuff. Sometimes you can also stack it with Ibotta because you'd buy in the instant gift card with one app and then that's how you pay for your product. So it's kind of confusing, but definitely go ahead and try it out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.